Hello YouTube, my name's Clint and welcome to Clinto Makes Stuff. This is my very first video. There's not a great deal going on. I'm going to move on to bigger and better things in the future, but for now I just thought I'd record a quick video and introduce myself and what I'm about. So always liked tinkering and always like to have a little project on the back burner and just see what I can lend my hand to. Always had an interest in CNCs and laser machines and 3D printers and the like. And during the pandemic in 2020, I ended up getting my first Creality Ender 3 Pro so I could start producing some PPE for key workers. And I ended up running 3 printers at one point, and I think a little over 1,000 items of PPE we made. So it was pretty successful and kind of got me into the 3D printing thing. I've recently been trying to get my garage set up, just getting a bit more organised. A long way to go yet, but at least I can see and at least I've got somewhere to work now. I've also recently ordered a Xtool D1. It's a 10 watt diode laser machine for engraving and cutting. Can't wait for it to come, to be honest. We'll start having some fun with that, I'm sure. So yeah, thanks for watching my first video. The next video I put out will most likely be my new laser engraver turning up. I'm going to do a little unboxing video and assemble it and see how we get on, get it fired up and do some test prints. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like my new channel and what it's about, do us a favour, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell and you'll receive updates when we've got more videos coming out. Anyway, thanks.